What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
So today I got two iPhones for you. They're the same ones, they're just in different colors. The iPhone XS Max. I have the silver one and I have the gold one. The silver one is the one I'm getting and the gold one is for my wife.
I got something real for your in these hands.
I came here just to give you a quick unboxing. I'm not going to really get into the specs, the camera, the screen size, even though it is the biggest iPhone screen size out to date. I normally don't get a new iPhone when I normally wait until the number changes to get the new iPhone, because I do have the iPhone 10 right here. But when I shot my video for my iPhone 10 accessories, I did mention the fact that I didn't want the form factor of, let's say, an iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 Plus, but with the screen size of the iPhone 10. I'm hoping that when the iPhone X Plus or whatever is coming out next year, is the same size as the 6 Plus or the 7 Plus or the 8 Plus. It's the size as the shape of the phone, the same size as the phone, and then the screen just covers the whole entire phone. Because I got used to holding the bigger phone, and I'm cool with it. I was cool with that. I'm hoping that that's what we can expect in the future. I will definitely buy that one. And they did that here with the XS Max, so that's why I felt the need that I thought it was a great decision for me to buy these phones. And because my wife, I think she has like a 7 Plus, so it was time to upgrade her anyway. So she got the gold, I got the silver. This is a quick unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna open up the silver one first. And I've been watching videos and a lot of people, they do put the plastic up to the microphone to hear the plastic unravel. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna open it up. So if you hear it, you hear it. If you don't, you don't. Get that out the way. Here is the gold one. Now I haven't seen any of these up close yet. The first time I'm actually seeing these up close is right now with you guys. So we'll both be surprised at the same time. You probably saw it already. This video is probably already old to you, but for me, this is brand new to me. So I'm gonna open it up. And you know what? I wish I had an overhead camera so that you could see top down, but I'm just gonna open them up and then face it towards you so that you can see it. So inside, before we talk about the actual phones, the paperwork, Apple paperwork, standard paperwork, Apple stickers, some user information, and then also the SIM card removal tool. And then here they are. Okay, here's the silver one right here. I do have, which I will be returning back to Verizon, the black one for the 10. I went with the silver and white one for this phone. I just wanted to change it up. I don't know what it was. I just wanted to change it up. And so they said this is the moment that your iPhone will never be as fresh as this moment after you remove the plastic. So there we go, broke the seal. Never be as fresh. This is what I'm talking about. This is the size of phone that's perfect for me. I really like this phone. It's very slim. But let me set that to the side while that power's on and show you the gold one. The gold one is a very nice color, but to me, I just think that the outside is gold, but the inside, maybe it's just the lighting in here. I don't know if it's not good enough or whatever, but the inside just seems like a pinkish Band-Aid color, more like a rose gold. Maybe not a rose gold, but like a pinkish Band-Aid color, a light pink. So that's why I opted not to use this one. Maybe it's just me. I know on my phone I'll be putting a clear case on it just like my 10, because I want to show off the color that I got. I don't know, maybe one day I'll switch over to like a dbrand skin or something. I really do like dbrand. Shouts out to dbrand, by the way. They're doing amazing things. If you don't know what they are or what they do, I'll put the links down below. They make skins for an array of different tech devices out there. But here's the gold one. and here's the silver one, side-by-side comparison. So what we have in the box, you have, I think this is your 5-watt Apple charger. I mean, come on, Apple, you're a $1 trillion company. 5 watts? I think this is 5 watts. Either way, it's not a fast charger. Put a fast charging brick in here. It's not going to make that big of a dent in your pocket. Your phones are going to sell regardless.
And you know this, man.
Upgrade this. It's about time. And this is like an insult. I mean, I won't use this, but even still, damn, Apple. You got your earbud headset with the cord, and one thing that they didn't add is the headphone jack dongle. So we got the 5 watts skipping on the fast charger, and they took out the headphone dongle. I mean, yeah, they're valued at $1 trillion, but why are they skipping on prices? Why are they skipping? These are the premium these are their flagship phones right here.
Playing with my money is like playing with my emotions.
I don't understand why that they couldn't keep that stuff in here. I mean, that's just me, but whatever. And then you also have your lightning cable. That's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. I'm gonna go ahead and set these up off camera simply because that's not what I came here for. I just wanted to show you the silver one and the gold one and show you exactly what came inside the box and why I decided to purchase these phones. Oh yeah, one more thing I want to talk about. So these are the Apple flagship phones, the iPhone XS Max, and they do come with 3 different internal storage sizes. You got the 64 gig, which is $10.99. You have the 256 gig, which is $12.49, and you have the 512 gig, which is $14.49. I hear people saying, "Oh my God, these phones are over 14, almost $1,500." But let's be honest, how many of you out there actually pay full retail for these prices? More than likely 80% of you guys, or most of the people that I know, they put them on their payment plan and it's like, I don't know, $30, $40 extra a month on top of their cell phone bill. So stop complaining about the price points. I get it. If you want to buy it outright, then you can complain. But if you want to buy this phone outright, the resale value on these as compared to like maybe if you bought an Android phone outright, these hold their resale value a lot better. So when you want to upgrade to that next phone, you turn this phone in and then you're going to get about $700, $800 back for this phone and just roll that over into your new phone. So the price point on the surface, it looks high, but on payment plans, I don't think you can beat it, to be honest with you. And if you don't want to buy these phones for full price value, I mean, put it on your payment plan. Yeah, that's pretty much what I gotta say. These phones are on payment plans. I haven't bought a phone outright, I don't think ever. And since I'm on Verizon now, I do plan on upgrading every year. So I'm on their plan where I can upgrade every single year, which I will plan on doing simply because I'm an impulse buyer. I mean, don't act like I'm the only one. You probably an impulse buyer too. And I'm just a huge lover of tech, latest tech. And I do have the iPhones. Don't get me wrong, I'm not biased towards the iPhones. Once I can afford it, I think I'll start dibbling and dabbling in Android phones as well as the iPhone. So I'll keep my iPhone, and also I'll have maybe the latest Android phone, whether it be from Samsung, Google, or any other Android out there. I really do like Android. I just think that their open system lets you do a lot more with the phone, but I don't think you can beat the iOS experience simply because I just think it's just a little bit more fluid and stable than the Android. So that's why I would want to go with both. And this is a tech channel. I love tech, so I just want to have the latest tech, show off the latest tech to you, talk to you about the latest tech. And that's pretty much it for this video, people. I just want to give you a quick unboxing and my opinion on the iPhone. I really didn't talk about the specs that much, but I will, like I said, I'll put cards, I'll put them in the description of people that I thought did amazing jobs with these phones, talking about the specs. Yeah, of course, you got MKBHD, iJustine, Jonathan Morris. I mean, the list goes on and on. And so that's pretty much it for the video, people. I appreciate you. If you watch this to the end, feel free to subscribe, comment, like, share this video, however you want to do it. But I just wanted to give you my quick 2 cents on why I got these iPhones for me and my wife. As always, this is the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.